Meaning of flown.
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 Flown. The term flown is the past participle form of the verb fly, which means to move through the air using wings or aircraft. The word can also be used in a figurative sense, such as when referring to a person or thing that has been transported or taken somewhere by air. When something has flown, it has typically been lifted off the ground and propelled through the air by some means. This could include birds, airplanes, helicopters, balloons, or even drones. Overall, the word flown indicates movement through the air and implies travel or transportation.